back to the channel. So I'm working on my mom's 2010 Buick Lacrosse and for coolant leak, but she has a headlight out too, so I thought I'd take care of that at the same time. I know everything out there says you have to remove the front bumper because she has the HID headlight bulbs, the big ballast type one, not the regular typical type of headlight bulbs you're used to seeing. And they say and I think this is even the same for the regular headlights too, they say you have to take off the front bumper to take out the headlight assembly to change the bulb. Well, I'm gonna show you where you don't have to do that, at least for the passenger side. The driver's side, you may still have to do that, but from the passenger side, you don't have to go through all that. All right, so what you wanna do is just take out your air box. You're going to disconnect your mass airflow sensor, pop up the yellow tab there, just pop it up, push down on that, and then pull that out. Then take the lid off. Well, of course, you would have had to take care of the screws in there too beforehand, and take that off. And then, of course, you'll have your air box in there with your air filter. Maybe a good time to go ahead and change the air filter where you're at it. At that point, there's nothing really holding your bottom of your box down, just some rubber pressure clips. So you just yank it on out of there at that point, man. And now you have complete access to the cover back here. As you can see, going right in there, full access to the cover. And pop it off. Now, if you have the regular type of bulbs, you can just twist it out, pull it out, and change the bulb, right? If you have the HIDs, you're going to have this cover on there that's going to have these, you see that hole right there and those two at the bottom? Little screws. So have yourself one of those little magnetic screwdrivers, and then just because it's going to be on top of there like that. So you'll just go in there with those little screwdrivers, with the little magnetic screwdriver, take those screws out, take this cover off. At that point, you're able to just reach in, pull it out. I've already changed my mom, so you just see the plug right there. You just pull it out. There's nothing holding in. You just pull it on out, and then you just push in your new one. Turn on your headlights just to test before you put it back in. Then you just put it back in. Put the cover back on. Put those little screws back in. Put it all back together, and you're done. And that's all it takes to change out that headlight without taking off the front bumper. So if you like, hit the like button and definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining.